the babies. There's the little baby hummingbirds. They're so beautiful. Hi, sweethearts. I'm talking to you. Yeah, you hear me? You're so beautiful. I love your mama is so dedicated to you guys. Yeah. Yeah, you're in my tree. We're sharing it, huh? Well, I love you guys. Made a video of you, so I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Y'all know about YouTube? Well, maybe one day. But anyway, just wanted the community, the people who love birds and animals, to see how beautiful you guys have gotten. And soon you guys will be flying off, I'm told. So God bless the hummingbirds. God bless the hummingbirds. Baby Sage and Hunter. Originally I was calling them Coffee and Mocha, and my daughter was like, no, they're green. They have green on them, so let's do Sage and Hunter. So, okay, y'all, Sage and Hunter. And God bless you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.